We have an indecisive energy here, okay? And the reason for not being able to make a decision is because either you or somebody is scared of making a mistake. So it could be that we're having a repeat pattern come in and we don't know what to do with that. So let's take a look and see why this person's indecisive or why you may be feeling indecisive. I think there's a need here to want to be honest, be truthful, and get things out in the open. And so this is creating a kind of pause with this person. So I feel like this is a person you're involved with that's maybe not being fully honest or not keeping you in the loop as much as they should. It feels as though this person's made a few mistakes and they want to right the mistakes, but they're also hesitant, okay? And they're being held back because maybe the truth and revealing the truth could jeopardize you guys. Also, it could affect them on an ego level. So maybe they are concerned if they tell you the truth, if they open up, they will become vulnerable. And as you all know, vulnerable isn't a comfortable place sometimes. So we've got somebody here who is concerned that surrendering, opening up, being vulnerable will actually lead to them feeling unworthy. Interesting. So maybe they are more insecure than you realize. I'm sorry for this plaster. Maybe they're more insecure than you realize and they feel like you're too good for them, or they feel as though if you know the real them, you might not want them. Nonetheless, you have a soul tie with this person and they want to mend this connection. So whatever they have done in the lead up to now, they are sorry about. They know they've made mistakes and they want to get it right. There's a lot of people talking about this. You may have friends and family around you who have an opinion on this. They also may have that. And so sometimes we cannot do what we want to do genuinely because we have other people's advice and opinions kind of overcrowding the situation. So be mindful. It's not so much what people think that matters. What matters is how you feel, okay? So don't hold back because of other opinions. And your person also needs to take their advice. They should not hold back because we need to express how we feel here in this connection. So know that there is love. There's been plenty of signs throughout the read so far that there is a deep love here, but there is also this fear of, kind of making a big move and it not working out. But we have an unexpected outcome here. So when this move is made, it's not going to go the way that they planned, but it's going to go better. Let's just look at the tarot and just confirm what else is coming with this. But this indecisive person around you is looking like they're gearing up to make a move. But at the moment, they're stuck in a place where they're more worried and concerned, ego again, about what people may think, what people may say, how it may turn out. So we definitely have somebody who is stuck in their ego or pride and concerned that, being vulnerable won't suit them, or being vulnerable doesn't fit with their image type thing. You just need to stay grounded, nurtured, and open. That will then create this person's need to follow you, to chase you, to be with you. And it also shows here, there they are doing the delicate dance between the emotionally available and the emotionally avoidant. So your person is wavering between these two places. This leads back to the indecisiveness. It's like there are two people within this person trying to get out. It doesn't show me this person is a bad person. They may have made mistakes, but it does show that this person, look at that, is wanting a new beginning. They want to get it right. Here we have things happening quickly, so it could be in the month of August, and we have got some forward movement, but just know that this person is on the fence a little bit, so they may come forward and then go backwards and forward and go backwards, but their ultimate goal is to move forward, and it is to move forward in a very positive way. So I think indecisiveness leads to something more permanent, but let's just take baby steps with this person just so you also get the desired result. But final judgment's in, they're going to take this step.